Step 1. Fasten 4 thumb screws halfway into bottom of stand. Step 2. Align 4 keyholes on base plate to thumb screws on bottom of stand. Ensure matching orientation of cutouts in stand and base. Step 3. Slide into locked position and tighten thumb screws. Step 4. Flip stand right side up. Pull power cord through hole in center of base plate, ensuring power cord exits through cutout in base. Step 5. Use 2 thumb screws to attach bracket to top plate. Ensure power cords are placed in center cutout of bracket. Step 6. While holding the top plate above the stand, plug both power cords into outlets inside the stand. Step 7. Place top plate on stand, ensuring bracket and tabs are seated inside and cables exit through slot in back of stand. Use 2 thumb screws to secure the top plate to the front of the stand and 2 thumb screws for the back of the stand. Step 8. Use 2 thumb screws to fasten graphic panel to rear of upper base. Do not over-tighten.